Hi, first graders. We are going to go over our Chapter 6 review test that you took yesterday. So we are going to go over that today. We're going to review the test to see how you did. So for number 1, we had to continue counting. So it started with 46. So as you can see, I counted on by ones all the way to 53. For number 2, they wanted you to match the numbers, and you're matching them by which one is 10 more. So for example, 35, 10 more than 35 is 45. 49, 10 more than 49 is 59. 59, 10 more than 59 is 69. 65, 10 more than 65 is 75. 57, 57 plus 10, 10 more is 67. Okay, on the next page, it says, does the number match the model? Choose yes or no. So the first thing you need to do is look at the model, boys and girls, and see how many are there. So we know that the top is a 10 frame. So we know that there's 10 in the 10 frame, and then we have some ones outside, so we need to count them. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have 15. So 10 plus 10. Is 10 plus 10 15? No. 10 plus 10 is 20. So it doesn't match. 1 10 and 4 ones? No. We don't have 1 10 and 4 ones. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. 1 10 and 5 ones? Yes. 10 plus 5? Yes, because I know that 10 plus 5 is 15. 10 plus 5 is 15. So the 2 bottom answers should be yes, and the top 2 no. Okay, the next question says circle the numbers that make the sentence true. There are 1 10 and 2 ones in 12. 1 10 and 2 ones. Now, for number 5, it says choose all the ways that name the model. Okay, so all the ways. So that's kind of a clue, boys and girls. There's not just one answer here. There's going to be more than one answer because it says choose all the ways. So we have 10, 20, 30. So we have 30. 3 ones? No, that's not 3 ones. These are 3 tens. 30 is also 3 tens and 0 ones. That's what it's showing. 3 tens, 0 ones. And then the number 30. So these are 3 ways to represent this model, which is 30. 30 can be represented as 3 tens, 3 tens, 0 ones, or just 30. Okay? Number 6 says there are 42 cubes. Lisa says that there are 4 tens and 2 ones. Elena says there are 2 tens and 4 ones. Who is correct? Circle the name. Well, I circled Lisa, and then I had to draw a picture to show 42. Lisa's correct because she said 4 tens and 2 ones, and that's what represents the number 42. Here's a quick picture. I drew my lines for tens and my circles for ones. So 4 tens and 2 ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. So Lisa was correct, and it's 4 tens and 2 ones. And that makes 42. Read the problem, write a number to solve. I am greater than 27. I am less than 30. I have 9 ones. So greater means bigger. So it's a number that's bigger than 27. Less means smaller. So it's smaller than 30. So it's got to be bigger than 27, but smaller than 30. And the last clue says I have 9 ones. Oh, so that's the deciding factor right there, because there are 2 numbers it could be. It could be 28 or it could be 29. But because that last clue said I have 9 ones, then you know that it is 29. 29 is greater than 27, and 29 is less than 30. And 29 has 9 ones. So there it is, and I even drew a picture to show it. 2 10s, 9 1s, 29. Okay, it says choose all the ways that show the same number. So up here at the top is the model, and I have 2 10s, but I have a lot of 1s here. So what you need to do is you need to count all of these 1s, because you might be able to turn 10 1s into a 10, right? So let's count the 1s. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So I have 15 1s here, and I have 2 10s. So I can circle 10 of these 1s and turn them into a 10. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll show you. So what I did, boys and girls, is I circled 10 1s and I turned it into a 10. And then all of these 1s here are the ones that are left over. So I now have 1 2 3 10s, and I have 1 2 3 4 5 1s outside, right? So I've got 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So that's what my model represents here, 35. So now I have to look at these models and see which ones match. And the 2 that match are here. Don't let it confuse you when there's a lot of 1s, boys and girls. Just turn 10 1s into a 10. Okay? So right here has 35. 3 10s, 5 1s. And then right here only has 1 10, but it's got a lot of 1s. So we need to count the 1s. You could turn 10 1s into a 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I'm going to turn 10 1s into a 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I'm going to turn 10 1s into another 10. So here it is. So now I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay, and that looks very similar to the top one, right? 3 10s, 5 1s. 3 10s, 5 1s. Okay, so those are the 2 correct answers. And number 9 says, what number does the model show? So for number 9, you have to count the 10s and the 1s to see what the model shows. So you're going to count by 10s. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So I have 100 here in my 10s. I have 10 10s, and that makes 100. But now I have to count my 1s. 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 110. So that's the number. And the next one says finish the drawing to show 118. So right here they have 10 10s to make 100, and then they have another 10 here to make 110. And now let's count the 1s. 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116. So I have 116 here, but they want me to do 118. So I had to add 2 1s to make it 118. And they wanted you to write to explain, okay? So you're going to write words in there to actually explain it. And I said there was only 116. We need to add 2 more 1s to make 118. Okay, and for number 11 it says count the acorns and write the numbers. So we counted and we know that this is a group of 10. Here's another group of 10, right? So we have 10, 20. Okay, so we have 2 10s, we have 0 1s, and then we have 20 acorns all together. Okay? Some of you put 20 right here, and I accepted that answer because that's what I originally thought as well. I thought they were just asking how many total, but really what they wanted to know was how many acorns were outside of these 2 10 frames that we created. And there are no 1s left over. There are 10 and 10. So that makes 20. And number 12, draw a quick picture to show 54 in 2 ways. Then write the number of 10s and 1s in each picture. So they wanted you to do it 2 different ways, boys and girls. So the first way is 5 10s and 4 1s. 54. 5 10s, 4 1s. So that one was pretty easy to come up with. Now the next one, you have to kind of manipulate the 10s and 1s and kind of trade them out to change it. So what I did is I did 4 10s and 14 1s, and that would make 54. Because if I had 10, 20, 30, 40, another group of 10 makes 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. So that's what I did. I took a 10 and I turned it into 10 1s instead. Okay? So I hope that this helped you. You guys did a fantastic job on your test. Thank you. Keep up the hard work. Bye.